From grammar quizzes to close reading, Cami has the tools to help and aid the learning of English language learners. In this 5th grade classroom, students are tasked with interviewing one of their classmates with a series of questions to get to know each other better. But before the teacher sends this out, they want their students to fulfill another task after they're done. When teachers assign work through Cami, using video comments can help the students understand the task ahead by hearing instructions in both their native language and the language they're learning, all with a familiar face and voice in view.
Hola niños, cuando termines tu trabajo, quiero que crees una nueva página y escribas lo que descubriste sobre tu pareja. Grabe un clip de ti mismo, leyéndolo también. Buena suerte!
After sending the document out through a learning management system like Google Classroom, students are now able to complete the tasks from their end. Cami makes it easy for anyone to share their copy of a document to accomplish collaborative tasks. You can see who contributes to a document and who is online, viewing or annotating the document in real time. For this task, our partner has decided to use audio comments to answer each of the questions, leaving room for notes to be jotted down. Audio comments can be useful to let users express themselves by speaking their thoughts in the language that they're learning.
Someone I look up to is my mom. I look up to her because she is both strong as a person and caring of others.
To take notes, students can either use the rich text editor and type them out, with options to change font, color, and size. Or, together with a touchscreen device and a stylus, can use the drawing tool to easily scribe and practice writing in the language they're learning. If students need new pages at any time, they can scroll to the bottom of the document, click the plus icon, then choose the format and the number of pages they want to add. A session like this can be done both in class or from home at any time, making Cami a great tool for both remote and asynchronous learning. Now let's look at an example of a 10th grade classroom, where the teacher and students are in a call, learning about how to phrase assumptions on what they observe and with what they know from personal experience. Here, we can see the teacher and students all active and present in the same Cami document, and with the group in a video call, the teacher shares the screen as they instruct within their Cami document.
Muy bien niños, ahora, uno por uno, quiero que usen la herramienta de dibujo para escribir supuestos en la imagen que vemos. Piensa en las preguntas de la diapositiva anterior. Let's start with Julian.
Cami can be your collaborative real-time whiteboard, where synchronous lessons can be delivered and where teachers can intervene at a moment's notice. Finally, for any words that students come across which might be hard to pronounce, the text-to-speech tool can be a great help. With the selection of various voice packs installed on the user's device, and with playback and speed controls, students can nail down the phonetic pronunciation of different words.
Brilliant plumage.
Do you have more clever tips to use Cami for the ELL classroom? Let the world know by sharing it on Twitter. Tag us at @UseCamiApp with the hashtag CamiTips and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.